Okay, so welcome here to see one of our Aquaponic project in Jordan, in the urban city of Amman. Please come in. So as you can see here, the project is like surrounded by residential area, and also from that side is the commercial area. This is where we can supplying water to the project. So just a 2 meters water tank. Okay. So here is the project, and here, as you can see, is the Aquaponic project inside. Please come in. Okay, we use this net just to preventing any bugs coming inside. And here, this is, we use it as a wicking bed, so just to tell people more, here this is small carrots. We're trying to do some experiment because aquaponic can work for everything. And we have here some basil, mint. This is right system, but unfortunately now because we harvest a lot, so now we just will drop this later on. And most important, what we will have come here. This is a fish tank, sweller filter, mineralization tank, and here's the media. We have pepper, red pepper, and mostly we have all kind of tomatoes. Trust me. This one, small fresh tomato. Please. We have chili tomato as well. Here, ready to be eaten. And we have chocolate tomatoes, as they can say. Right. So aquaponic works fine. Just try it.